We are presenting the organigram of Hacienda La Borcilla. This is a product team structure. We have the highest authority, who is the CEO. He is in charge of supervising, leading the management departments of executive management, administration, events, and human resources.
Later, we have the executive chef, who is a top manager. He has in charge the sous chef and the floor managers, who are the middle managers. The chef executive is responsible to create the recipes and the menu, training of the staff, and supervise the kitchen. The executive chef manages cooks, bakers, butchers, and each person involved in the preparation of food. He should have punctuality and compromise, knowledge, training and supervision, purchase, briefing, and feedback and weekly meetings. He is in charge to sous chef and the floor managers, who are the middle managers. The sous chef relieves the executive chef in his free day. He is the right hand of the executive chef, and his main labor is to supervise the operation of the kitchen, follow the instruction of the executive chef. He should have punctuality and compromise, knowledge, supervise the dishes and instruction of his boss, purchase and product and briefing. The sous chef is in charge of the departure chef, pantry chef, saucer chef, entremeter chef, and baker chef, who are line managers. The floor manager is in charge of the shift start and responsible of the critic hours. He also plans the operative part with the events department and the manager. He elaborates the role shift and the responsibilities of the operative staff. He should have knowledge. He should be a polite and kind of person and has a good touch with the customers to solve the necessities. So he needs to pay attention since the reservation of the customer to the end of the customer service. This is because he is the responsible of the satisfaction of the customer. He supervises in form, quality, and time the out of the dishes and commands. It is important that has some Gemba walks and fill the checklist on the service. He is responsible of the service plan and meetings with all the managers.
Then we have another top manager, who is the administration manager. He is in charge of the accounting and to pay the supplies for anything that the Hacienda La Borcilla buy. Also, he has to lead and supervise the cashier manager, the security manager, the purchase manager, and the facilities manager. These ones are middle managers who are in charge of different things. For example, purchase manager is in charge of getting the supplies for the kitchen and the bar. The cashier manager is in charge of supervising the cashiers and the sales of the Hacienda La Borcilla. The facility manager has to supervise the infrastructure of Hacienda La Borcilla. The security manager is in charge of the security and inspection of the restaurant. Also, we have another top manager, that is the event manager. She is in charge of the quotes to organize and supervise the events that Hacienda La Borcilla has. Also, she has to coordinate with the CEO for the training of the new staff.